Today we're going to be reading a story called Bluebird, Bluebird, Where Are You Going? You can read along with us if you want. Ready? Bluebird, Bluebird, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the pink flamingo. What sound does the flamingo make? The pink flamingo makes the sound flap, flap, flap. Pink flamingo, pink flamingo, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the brown puppy. What sound does the puppy make? The brown puppy makes the sound arf, arf, arf. Brown puppy, brown puppy, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the yellow kitty cat. What sound does the kitty cat make? The yellow kitty cat makes the sound purr, purr, purr. Yellow kitty cat, yellow kitty cat, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the black woodpecker. What sound does the woodpecker make? The black woodpecker makes the sound peck, peck, peck. Black woodpecker, black woodpecker, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the green cricket. What sound does the cricket make? The green cricket makes the sound creak, creak, creak. Green cricket, green cricket, what are you doing? I am playing with all my friends. Can you remember all the friends I am playing with? I am playing with the blue bird, the pink flamingo, the brown puppy, the yellow kitty cat, and the black woodpecker. We are all good friends. The